Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to the Game Changer series. In this series, we look at various tools that change and improve the way that you work. So in this episode, we're going to look at a certain stud finder that I recommend to anybody. And when I say anybody, that means you. So whether you are a DIYer or you're a professional that already has £250 worth of stud finders, I would recommend this as well to keep in your toolbox. So stick around. So first of all, why would a DIYer need a stud finder, especially one this cheap? Well, the good thing is if you're looking for somewhere to put up a picture frame or hang quite a large heavy mirror, you don't want to be putting it straight into the plasterboard, especially if it's a heavy item. You want to find the studs on your plasterboard wall. So behind most plasterboard walls, unless they're dot and dabbed, there will be stud works going up and down, and depending on where you're from, the center distances between them varies. So to drill into plasterboard, you want to be drilling straight through it into the wooden stud behind, and that gives a really secure fixing. So I hear you saying, Chris, I've already got a stud finder. What on earth could this possibly be? And some of you that already own this, you know what I'm talking about. It's the Studbuddy. So all this is basically is a magnet made in the USA, great quality. And all you do is, if this was a piece of plasterboard, I'll show you shortly, you move it around like so until it finds a screw and it magnetizes to the screw. And then all you have to do then to make sure this isn't something else, some other metal behind your plasterboard, is you go up vertically or down vertically, and then eventually it'll catch on another screw, and then you know their screws fix into the stud, because plasterboard should always be buttered together like that, right on where the stud is, and then both sides are drilled. So you just move it along where the screw is, and that's it. So even if you do have a stud finder, one of the electronic ones, they can be good, some of them. I haven't had the best results with them, but I think that having something so cheap and as reliable as this can really help double check where your studs actually are. It's the kind of thing that's so small. If you're a DIYer, keep it in your toolbox, and you know, it's always there when you need it. So the greatest thing about the Studbuddy is the price. Now you can have two of these for one of these. Now I wonder how Lizzie feels about that. Well, it made her happy anyway. So don't just take my word for it. The Queen's just given this the royal seal of approval. So imagine if you subscribed thinking, wow, that was a cool little trick. I've never seen that done with a £20 note before. And then this ended up being your favourite woodworking channel. Well, there's only one way to find out really, isn't there? Hit that subscribe button below and join me in the next episode of The Game Changers.